get involved. So we're going to talk about some business.
What business?
Well, I say it's business. It's none of your business.
Soon I'm going to be 7, and then I can know things. Good night, Curtis.
Good night, Lucy.
Good night, Lucy. What's up?
The toy stand has gone completely out of control. He's locked up the office, shut down the workshop. He thinks everybody's naughty and gonna give the whole world cold.
How come Bernard can come down and tell me this?
He's under house arrest.
Bernard?
Yeah, you gotta fly back with me to the North Pole to save Christmas.
I can't. I have no magic. I'm out of magic. Look.
I hope he doesn't have too many stops to make tonight.
You and me both. Okay. Let's just get over with.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
What's going on down there?
Are you sure about this?
The old toaster trick? When we were kids, we used to do this to get a little extra cash. Works every time.
I can't watch this.
You ready, buddy? All right. Let her rip. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Scott! I'm all right.
Yes? I lost another tooth. Should I put it under my pillow?
Yes. What do you people want? How much you get $20 a change? It's me, Santa. You've lost the wig that appeared to be Santa Claus. I know Santa. Santa's a friend of mine. And you sure aren't a Santa. I am too, Santa. How did I know I could capture you by holding on to one of your wings? At the last meeting, you had to change your name to Captain Floss or Platman, or as I recall, Roy. And Santa's idea to call you the Mola Man. Who's the kid? That's one of my else's friends. He's an elf. Look.
Ow.
Santa!
The dude, please! Could you possibly fly a little higher?